Average. Average. Okay, let's explore this word. Average-looking people are not considered to be attractive, but they are also not considered to be unattractive. They are just normal. So, I have to say, describing someone as average is negative, because everyone wants to be described as being attractive. And if you're calling someone average, you're saying they're normal, that they're not special. Charles is an average-looking guy. Do you think Dave is attractive? Dave? He's average. Definitely not attractive. So the word is average, and it means that you're not attractive, but you're not unattractive. You're just normal. However, to describe someone as average is a negative description. Charles is an average-looking guy. Do you think Dave is attractive? Dave? He's average. Definitely not attractive.